Hey guys, it's your girl Georgette here. And guys, I want to talk to you today now about making money from the comforts of your home. Making money on the internet. There's no shortage of money on the internet, guys. There's no shortage of money on the internet, and I had to learn that. Now, if you're not tech savvy and you're wondering, well, how to do that, then I'm going to talk a bit about the program that I'm on. And that is the Done For You service. If you want to make money fast, if you want to make money now, guys, I knew nothing about making money online. I was not a tech savvy gal at all. But I came across the Done For You service with Ariella and Wesley Virgin. And I said, okay, I'm ready to do something different. I've always worked for physical stuff, event planning, setting up, decorating, kiddie treats, pushing and pulling and setting up and breaking down. And I said, okay, Georgette, it's time for a change. Let's do something. To get a different result, you got to be willing to do something different. I said, okay, now, I had a brand new laptop that I have not touched in about 2 years or more. I would use my phone, and then I purchased me an iPad, and I would use those two things to do whatever business I had to do. Only to print an email or something, a document, I would go into my laptop. Now, I had to dust it off, like really, seriously. Dust it off, open it, and I got started with the Done For You service program in February. And when I got started, very intimidating. It was overwhelming for me. And I said, okay, now, Georgie, you're learning something new, and so you're going to be uncomfortable. I asked the silliest question in the private Facebook group. I don't want to touch this. I said, I don't want to touch this. I don't want to touch the next thing. And then Ariella would respond and say, what is it? Tell us what is happening. And I would text back, I don't know. And she said, calm down. Just go in the portal and go and look at this thing or the next. And then the developers, they would also assist me and message me and guided me through. Also called me, took control of my laptop, and would fix things, which I messed up a couple of times, God, because I really didn't know what to do. But I wanted a different result, so I did something different. And I went through the portal, which was very helpful. Now I look back and thought, how silly. It is so simple. They guide you step by step. I would sit down and I would be up late at night and I can't figure it out. And then I would message in the group and they would respond. And then I would message, the developer would message me, and he would assist me. It was him, always a gentleman. And he would assist me. And we worked together. We get the issue sorted. They got my landing page. They got all the techie stuff that I don't know about. The pixels, the funnels, the landing page, the website. What are those? I did not know. Guys, this is real. Because I felt silly back then. I'm like, come on, Georgia. You are always a businesswoman. You can do it. And then when I would sit in front, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I said, follow the portal. They would say, repetition is the mother of skill. Go over the portal. It's like going home. You know the routine, your routes to go home. Every day, go home. Go home to the portal and just repetition. Go over. If there's a video that you don't understand, go back over 5-6 times until you get it. And guys, repetition is really the mother of skill, you know, because after going over it twice, I still did not see what I saw on the 5th or the 6th time, right? And I would do what they tell me to do, And then they would set up my ads for me, have the website, the landing page up and going. And guys, within the first 2 weeks, I got my first sale. And that right there was the game changer for me. That did it for me. And after that, I made sales. I'm making sales right now. I'm waking up to sales, 5, 6 sales. I'm just hearing the notification going off. I'm also building my brand, and I'm doing organic sales as well, reaching out to persons on Instagram, on Facebook, my profile, and just all the teachings, guys. It is an amazing platform, guys. Let me tell you this. I didn't know much about the internet, but until I got involved with the Done For You service, I am now realizing how these people, Wesley and Ariella, how much they are passionate about helping people. They truly are passionate. You know, we have Zoom calls. Then Ariel and Wesley would go live on the Facebook on Facebook platforms, Instagram, YouTube. So many knowledge, so many value in helping us. And so on everything Wesley would say, I would implement it. Everything Ariella speaks about, I implement it. Because you have to follow persons that are living the life. You have to look at persons' lives right now, who you are following, who you are choosing to be your mentors. Are they wealthy? Are they rich? If it's someone you're looking at with a good relationship, do they have a good marriage? How long have they been married? And not just married. Is the relationship juicy and passionate? Because you can tell when people are fronting or faking, right? Even though they say fake it until you make it. But the persons that you're choosing to follow and to mentor you, are they really living the life? And for me, Wesley is, Ariella is. Ariella has the money. Ariella is driving the car. Ariella has the Chanel purse. Ariella is buying the beautiful home. Wesley has homes all over the place. He has the monies. He has the businesses. He has the followers. That this is something that I desire, to have a platform with millions, reaching millions of people, coaching, mentoring, and motivating single women. So yes, they are living the life that I desire. And so the program Done For You service, if your desire is to make money now, is to make money fast, is to make money quick, click the link below. I will leave a link for a free training with Wesley and Ariella. Ariella does most of the training, but she talks about her journey with Wesley and how she got started and how Wesley has helped her, and now she's helping others. It's a free webinar. Guys, you don't want to miss that free webinar. When I joined that free webinar, that was it for me. I said, because she was a newbie and made all of this money in such a short time, I saw myself in Ariella as a person who knows nothing about the internet. Now I know. Now I know. Now I'm tech savvy. Speak it. And so guys, join the free webinar. Get the free information, guys. We're not asking you for any money. Join the free webinar. Get the information. Get the proof. Then get on board and change your life. I'm making money. I'm making sleep money. I'm going out having my busy day and coming back and see money. Digistore notification, guys. Don't you want that? It's time for us to change our lives, man. For our family, my children, you know. And so your family, my mom, my dad. It's time we change. We change the generational curse into generational blessing. Create generational blessings for you and your family. This program will do it for you. The free webinar link is below. Get in, join, listen to the information, get on board, and make money fast for you and your family right now. Hey, it's your girl Georgette. Subscribe, please like, please comment below. I'm ready to take action now. Mwah! Much, much love.